everybody, I am so excited to be here showing you guys how to use the Color Street back office. Now, this is the main Color Street website, and over here in the corner you'll find Stylist Login. So you're going to click that, and then here you'll enter your Stylist ID, and then your password, okay? And then click Login. Now this is the main page of your back office. You'll have notes here from Color Street. A lot of times when things are out of stock, this is where you want to come to find out if the items are back in stock, their estimated back in stock time frame, and any discontinued items. All right? And you can see there's quite a few notes in here. So I would strongly suggest checking into your back office very often, so you can check on the out-of-stock items or any promotions. Now, over on this side, you have my profile, and that's on the left. It has when I started, what rank I am, the last order that was placed, my volume for January, and then my volume for December. If we go down here, you'll see my Jumpstart. All right, in my first 35 days, I hit Jumpstart, and this is the time frame here. And then in my first 65 days, I unfortunately didn't hit it, but you can see that the time frame's right here. And then for the first 95 days, this is my time frame, okay? So if you're not sure about your Jumpstart, you can always come back over to this section of the website and see where you're standing, okay? Now, up here on top, we have 5 options. We have account, we have profile, orders, company events, and sales tools. All right. Underneath sales tools, we have all of these files that are available for download. I would strongly suggest when you first log into your back office to really take a tour of it, okay? You want to check out and see what all is there and what's all offered. Whenever you want to see what's it, like this one says 4 files, you click this arrow or the triangle, and then those 4 items will come up. Okay? That goes for all of these. Now, I'm not going to show you each and every one. I would strongly suggest, though, checking out agreements, the brand guidelines, so that you know, all of the policies, the comp plan summary, the terms of your agreement, and then if you're making any of your own graphics, the CS brand guidelines are very important. All right. But you can see there's lots of options here, okay? Now, company events right now doesn't have anything, okay? Now we have account, profile, and orders. Under account, when we click that, all right, I've hit account, and this information shows up. Under account here, you have product credits and stylist order account. All right. Now, for profile and orders, you can see that small arrow, so there's drop-down menus. Okay, under profile, we have downline, upline, and commissions. Under downline, now this is what you have underneath downline. All right, once you are a bonus qualified stylist and you enroll someone, then the information for your group you'd be able to gather here. Okay, now in the upline, we can see who recruited you, who recruited them, and the domino effect. All right, so you can see this is my executive director. We have a senior executive, and it goes down the list here all the way to me. All right, Lizzie was the one that recruited me, and then Danny Montgomery is our team leader. Okay? If you have any questions and people say talk to your upline, this is the information that they're talking about. Okay? And then commissions. this is where you'll go if you want to see the breakdown for your paycheck, basically. Okay? There's a summary, there's commissions, there's that information, and then rebates. Okay? You can see I didn't sell anything in the last week, so that was my earnings. And that's when I realized I need to get off vacation and get back to work. I love having my weekly paychecks from Color Street. All right, so we're done with profile. Oh wait, you can actually click on profile as well, and that is another menu item. So here, this is where you can actually personalize your website, okay? You have your address information where you can verify this is all correct, your additional information, commission options, and then my website information. All right, and on another video, I'll show you how to customize your website. Now on this one, we have orders, order history, and events. I'm going to click on orders, and you'll see which orders, or you'll see this menu here for place an order, and you have different options here, and I'll do another order to show you, and then the management of items as well. Okay? Now order history. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay. Your order history is all the orders that were placed underneath you. They include party orders. They include just shopping cart orders. And also the event shopping carts. That's for each individual nail bar that you have. All right? And this will also include, this one here is eSuite Access. That is your website fee. And for the first 2 months, I believe you still have that free. Business supply order would also be here. Your personal orders are here. All right, so every order that is placed through your website will be under order history. Now we also have events. All right, now underneath the events menu option, this is where you have a list of the events that you are running at the time. You also have the option to create a nail bar here. You can come here and close out your nail bars. Okay, so this one's very important for your nail bars. All right, so that is the tour for the Color Street website. Okay, now I will post another video or additional videos to introduce each individual category. Okay, thank you so much for joining me, and I really hope this was helpful.